CSS variables are incredibly useful for maintaining consistent styles. But what happens when a variable isn't defined? That's where fallback values come in. To define a fallback value, you use the var function with two parameters. The first parameter is your CSS variable name, and the second parameter is the fallback value. Notice the comma separator between them. For example, var -- primary color blue. If the primary color variable doesn't exist, the browser will use blue instead. This simple syntax gives you a safety net for your styles. Fallbacks activate in two situations. First, when the variable is undefined, meaning it was never declared anywhere in your CSS. Second, when the variable value is invalid for the property where you're using it. In both cases, the browser ignores the variable and uses your fallback. You can even nest fallbacks for more sophisticated defaults. Instead of providing a hard-coded value, your fallback can be another var function call. This creates a fallback chain. For example, var -- primary var -- secondary gray. The browser tries primary first, then secondary, and finally falls back to gray. This pattern is perfect for theming systems with multiple layers of defaults. The fallback value can be any valid CSS value for that property. Colors, lengths, keywords, percentages, even complex values like gradients or calc expressions. The browser treats the fallback exactly like you wrote it directly in your style sheet, so you have complete flexibility. Remember, CSS variable fallbacks are defined with the var function's second parameter, separated by a comma. They protect your styles when variables are missing or invalid. Practice this in your next project to build more resilient style sheets. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.